Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we delve into the art and science of creating a truly tranquil and rejuvenating space right in your own backyard, the backyard relaxing area. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many, the backyard represents an extension of the home, a private sanctuary where one can escape the stresses of daily life. But simply having a backyard isn't enough. Intentional design is key to transforming it into a genuine oasis of calm. Let's explore the essential aspects of crafting your ideal backyard relaxing area. To begin, let us define precisely what we mean by backyard relaxing area design. At its core, this concept refers to the deliberate planning and arrangement of elements within your outdoor space to foster an atmosphere of peace, comfort, and leisure. It's about creating a functional yet aesthetically pleasing environment that encourages relaxation and provides a respite from the demands of everyday life. This involves considering factors such as spatial layout, material selection, furniture placement, incorporation of natural elements, and the overall ambience. The goal is to move beyond a mere patch of grass and instead cultivate a purposeful zone dedicated to unwinding and enjoying the outdoors in comfort and style. A well-designed backyard relaxing area is not just visually appealing, it's an intentional space that promotes mental and physical well-being. Now, let's consider the tangible benefits of investing in a dedicated backyard relaxing area design. The advantages extend far beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, and perhaps most significantly, it provides a readily accessible stress reduction zone. In our increasingly fast-paced world, having a private outdoor retreat can significantly contribute to mental clarity and emotional well-being. Spending time in a thoughtfully designed relaxing area allows for quiet contemplation, reading, or simply enjoying the fresh air, which has been proven to lower stress levels and improve mood. Secondly, a well-designed relaxing area enhances your connection with nature. Incorporating plants, water features, and natural materials fosters a sense of tranquility and allows you to appreciate the beauty of the outdoors. This connection can be particularly beneficial for those who spend much of their time indoors. Thirdly, it expands your living and entertaining space. A comfortable and inviting backyard relaxing area becomes an extension of your home, providing an ideal setting for casual gatherings with friends and family. It offers a more relaxed and informal atmosphere compared to indoor spaces, making it perfect for leisurely conversations and outdoor meals. Furthermore, investing in your backyard's design can increase your property value. A well-maintained and thoughtfully designed outdoor space is a significant asset that appeals to potential buyers. It demonstrates pride of ownership and enhances the overall appeal of your home. Finally, a dedicated relaxing area encourages you to spend more time outdoors, promoting a healthier and more active lifestyle. Whether you enjoy yoga, meditation, or simply lounging in the sun, having a comfortable and inviting outdoor space makes it more appealing to step outside and enjoy the benefits of fresh air and natural light. How do I decorate my backyard relaxing area design to look good? Achieving a visually appealing and inviting backyard relaxing area involves careful consideration of various decorative elements. The key is to create a harmonious and cohesive look that reflects your personal style while prioritizing comfort and functionality. Firstly, consider your color palette. Opt for calming and natural tones such as greens, blues, grays, and earthy browns. These colors tend to create a sense of serenity and blend seamlessly with the outdoor environment. You can introduce pops of color through cushions, throws, and potted plants. Next, layer textures to add depth and visual interest. Combine smooth surfaces like stone or metal with softer textures such as woven rugs, plush cushions, and natural fiber throws. This creates a more inviting and tactile experience. Introduce greenery abundantly. Plants are essential for creating a relaxing and natural ambience. Consider a variety of plants with different heights, textures, and colors. Vertical gardening, hanging baskets, and strategically placed potted plants can add visual interest and create a sense of lushness, even in smaller spaces. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood, especially during the evening. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. String lights, lanterns, solar-powered pathway lights, and even a small outdoor floor lamp can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Accessorize thoughtfully with items that enhance comfort and reflect your style. Outdoor rugs can define the space and add a layer of softness underfoot. Decorative pillows and throws add comfort and visual appeal. Consider adding outdoor artwork, small sculptures, or wind chimes to personalize the space. Maintain a sense of cohesion by choosing furniture and accessories that complement each other in terms of style, color, and material. Avoid clutter and strive for a balanced and uncluttered look. Regular maintenance, such as keeping plants trimmed and surfaces clean, is also essential for maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your relaxing area. Finally, personalize the space with items that hold meaning for you. This could be a piece of art you love, a collection of interesting stones, or anything that makes the space feel uniquely yours. What are the best items for backyard relaxing area design? Selecting the right items is crucial for creating a functional and comfortable backyard relaxing area. Here are some of the best items to consider incorporating into your design. First, comfortable outdoor seating. This is paramount. Consider options like plush lounge chairs, a cozy outdoor sofa, a hammock, or even comfortable floor cushions. Choose weather-resistant materials like wicker, teak, or powder-coated aluminum. Second, outdoor rug. An outdoor rug helps define the space, adds visual warmth, and makes the area feel more grounded and inviting. Opt for durable and easy-to-clean materials. Third, small side tables. These are essential for holding drinks, books, or small decorative items. Choose tables that complement your seating arrangement in terms of height and style. Fourth, soft throw blankets and pillows. These add layers of comfort and texture, making the space feel more inviting and cozy, especially during cooler evenings. Fifth, outdoor lighting. As mentioned earlier, various forms of outdoor lighting are essential for ambience and functionality after sunset. Sixth, potted plants and greenery. Incorporate a variety of plants to add life, color, and a sense of tranquility. Consider different sizes and types to create visual interest. Seventh, water feature. The sound of trickling water can be incredibly soothing. Consider a small fountain, a bird bath, or even a small pond if space allows. Eighth, privacy screen or trellis. If privacy is a concern, consider adding a decorative screen, a trellis with climbing plants, or even tall planters to create a sense of enclosure. Ninth, outdoor speakers. Soft background music can enhance the relaxing atmosphere. Consider weatherproof outdoor speakers that can be discreetly integrated into your design. 10th, fire pit or outdoor heater. For cooler climates or for extending the use of your relaxing area into the evening during colder months, a fire pit or outdoor heater can be a wonderful addition. Ensure you follow all safety guidelines when using these items. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best backyard relaxing area design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Bohemian Escape. Embrace vibrant colors, patterned textiles, floor cushions, poofs, and hanging lanterns. Incorporate macrame wall hangings and an eclectic mix of potted plants to create a relaxed and artistic vibe. 2. The Minimalist Oasis. Focus on clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials like wood and stone. Opt for simple, comfortable furniture and minimal accessories to create a serene and uncluttered space. 3. The tropical getaway. Introduce lush, tropical plants like palms and ferns. Use natural materials like bamboo and rattan for furniture. Add colorful cushions and perhaps a small water feature to evoke a vacation feel. 4. The rustic retreat. Incorporate natural wood elements, stone pathways, and comfortable Adirondack chairs. Use earthy tones and add a fire pit for cozy evenings. Consider adding lanterns and natural fiber rugs. 5. The Mediterranean courtyard. Use terracotta pots, climbing vines, and stone paving. Opt for wrought iron furniture with comfortable cushions and warm, earthy tones. A small fountain would enhance the Mediterranean feel. 6. The modern lounge. Choose sleek, contemporary outdoor furniture in neutral tones with pops of color. Incorporate geometric patterns and modern lighting fixtures. Consider adding an outdoor bar or serving area. 7. The garden sanctuary. Surround your relaxing area with fragrant flowers, herbs, and climbing plants. Include comfortable seating nestled amongst the greenery and perhaps a small bistro table for enjoying a cup of tea. 8. The coastal hideaway. Use light and airy colors like white, blue, and sandy beige. Incorporate natural materials like driftwood and rope. Opt for comfortable wicker or canvas furniture and add nautical-inspired accessories. 9. The Zen garden retreat. Focus on simplicity, natural materials, and tranquility. Incorporate elements like smooth stones, bamboo, and a small water feature. Choose low seating and minimal ornamentation to create a peaceful and meditative space. 10. The rooftop escape. If you have a rooftop space, transform it into an urban oasis with comfortable lounge furniture, potted plants but consider lightweight options, and string lights for a magical evening ambience. Consider adding a small outdoor bar or dining area to maximize its potential. Designing a backyard relaxing area is an investment in your well-being and the enjoyment of your home. By carefully considering the meaning and benefits, thoughtfully decorating, and selecting the best items, you can transform your outdoor space into a personal sanctuary. We at Homes Decor Designs hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for creating your own perfect backyard retreat. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on creating beautiful and functional living spaces. We'd love to hear about your own backyard relaxing area ideas in the comments below. What are your favorite elements for creating an outdoor oasis? Share your thoughts with our community.